I'll find a different route. Me nah drive over that dog.
They kick my, they bust my foot, one of the officers kicked me by my fist.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hey, what my people? Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. My people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a group of persons was holding what is believed to be a coffin or a type of coffin. It is believed that a body was inside of the coffin at the time when a certain amount of persons was holding on to different sections of what is believed to be the coffin. And you can hear persons singing in the video. I'm not able to tell how many, but I can hear persons singing in the video. I can hear some persons singing in the video. The thing is though, people, see, some comments have been made on social media about the video. I want to look and listen to this video and leave a comment or comments to let me know if you think anything was wrong with what was going on there. So may I say, and after I present the video to you, I'm going to read some words from some of the comments that I saw on social media where the video has been posted. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
She's like sugar and I like rum. So let me see your motion.
Let me read some words from some of the comments that we see. Oh, and please bear in mind that I'm not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate or even true about the video and or whatsoever was going on in the situation. So some words in one of the comments are, wow, dead become a J-O-K, now B-O-I. Move on to another one. Okay, words in another comment are, nothing wrong with the sender. Words in another comment are, a wicked generation. Words in another comment are, the ladies are strong. Words in another comment are, for she like sugar and I like this one S word there so and then I say plum. Very great support. You know what, me left it right there so. Some people leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think about that video there. I'm gonna move on to another video that I think some of you, my viewers, subscribers, might find really interesting. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show what I think are a certain amount of colors that are together and somewhat are across a roadway. Now in the video me hear a person say some words. But people, I would like you to look and listen to this video. But I'd like you to listen to some words that a person said in the video. And you can leave a comment or comments to let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some words that a person said in this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Observe with me. Here it is.
I want the bomb buck at this. Me nah drive over this, you know. Me nah drive over this a bomb buck. Catch a reverse. No? I'll find a different route. Me nah drive over that dog. I want the bomb buck at that. Watch a boy there walk on it. Jaja. Watch a dirty wingworm there. You walk on it proudy.
Some people, there are persons out there who think on a different level. There are some persons out there who not easy, my people. What do you think about the words that the person said in the video? Do you agree or do you disagree with the words that the person said in the video? Walk away from some type of confrontations, but be careful. Avoid some type of confrontations, but still try and be careful. My people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a confrontation between at least two persons. Now, in my point of view, I got the understanding that there was at least one person there who was trying to de-escalate the confrontation between those persons. And in my point of view, and I also assume that one of the persons who was involved in the confrontation was basically walking away from the other person who was involved in the confrontation. And the other person who was involved in the confrontation hit that person, causing the person to fall on a road or on a type of pavement. And during the video, I did not see where the person get up at in the video that I watched. I don't have any confirmed information to determine about the person's condition. But I just want to point out that yes, it is good to walk away from some type of confrontations and avoid certain type of situations. But be careful, because there are some persons who just think certain ways and you may never know how angry a person might be thinking. Let me present the video to you. I somewhat edit the video to keep it as family friendly as possible. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So there's a video right there, some people. Some type of a confrontation are going on between those persons. See? There was at least one person. Oh, there were more than one person who was basically trying to de-escalate the situation. Alright. Anyways. Look at this person now. This person moved aggressive more than the other. Notice the person's hands. And right there, the person hit the person, causing the person to fall on the road. And during the video that I saw, I didn't see where the person get up. In the video that I saw. That is just wrong. That's just wrong, people. That's just wrong. If somebody says something that they don't like, me understand, but it don't give no one no right to put them hand on anyone. No. It don't give anyone no right to hit somebody. No, it don't. So, walk away from some type of confrontation, but be careful and keep your guards up. Because you may never know. I hope that video can bring some form of awareness. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. So, my people, I watch at least one news report from within the country of Belize, and I read at least one news article from within the country of Belize about a man who had been arrested by police, and based on information that I got, it made me wonder about that man's mental health, dear subscribers. So I'm going to read some words from an article that are believed to be words that have been said by a person in at least one news report that I watch about the man and the situation. Listen, my people. So in the article I saw ASAP Stacey Smith, staff officer. Then me say police are preparing to prefer charges against an unemployed Belizean in connection with a burglary that occurred at approximately 4:00 a.m. on Saturday, June 28th. 2025. This male person is alleged to have entered a residence located on the south side of Belize City with the apparent intention to rape an 11-year-old female minor. But people, I'm not the one saying these words. I'm only reading some words that I saw in an article, and these words are believed to be words that have been said by someone who was giving information in at least one news report that I watch. I also got the understanding that there was at least one question being asked pertaining about disrobing and them things there, but it is not confirmed to my knowledge when it comes on to that the question that was being asked. You understand? So I'm going to leave the part there alone because I don't want to give no wrong information. I'm not the one saying these words. But listen, more words in the same article are therein. One of the occupants stated that she was awakened by a commotion, and upon inquiring, she saw a male person in her residence who proceeded to assault her and her husband, rendering them both unconscious. A male relative who resides on the lower flat of that residence was also alerted by the commotion and intervened, causing the male person to run off. Now listen to this, my people, because this is the part that really and truly have me wondering about the person's mental health. Because in at least one news report that I listened to, and according to an article that I read, I got the understanding that the person who was giving information about the person or the suspect and about the situation said these words. The suspect has been detained. He is currently in police custody, and the suspect is one that is known to police for incidents of this nature. As a matter of fact, as recent as last year, he was convicted in the magistrate's court by prosecutor Sergeant Smith and was sentenced to 11 months in prison. I was advised that he had been released in May. So the person in detention is expected to be charged later. I'm not going to say that part there because at the time when I read from the article and support my people. Eh? Now, my people, what do you think about that? What do you think about that? It's sad. It's really sad. Alright, my people. So, I'm going to move on to our video. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that have been brought to my attention via subscribers. And let me tell you from right now, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where the video I'm recording. So the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person was being restrained by law enforcers. I got the understanding that it is believed that the person was somewhat resisting your subscribers. And, you know, based on how the situation looked in the video, I somewhat assumed about the person's strength. See, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine why police was restraining the person or why police was holding on to the person. However, you can also leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think about the way how police handle this situation. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Stop resisting. Listen, I go stand up myself. I go stand up myself. I go stand up myself. People love this. We're trying to arrest you. Just relax. What's relax? I go relax. Relax yourself, boss. I go stand up, boss. I'm not resisting.
Mongo, just let them arrest you. Just let them arrest you. Let them arrest you.
Boss man, stop resisting that. Give me your hand.
Look my hand. Look my hand, sir. Put it there. Look my hand, boss. Boss, I'm working.
Look my hands, boss. You might want to kill me, boss. You see? Give me that. Look my hands, I mean. Alright. I put both of my hands there, you must say. That thing took my hands. That thing took my hands. You see why you're resisting. But I'm not resisting. I literally tell him, I literally, the man kick me in my head to the officer.
Let's go. We're going to bring him inside here. We're going to remote.
Mango, we want me to call her now? Huh? I'll wake up Vianney for you now.
Give me a minute.
I will wake up Vianney.
Really, I'm truly weird.
Let me wake up Vianney now. Just go. Go, I will wake up Vianney now.
Chill.
Yeah.
My phone on.
And what?
My phone.
Wait. Give it to me.
Police brutality, boy.
Give it to me.
No, I need my phone when I was inside.
Where?
They kicked my, they bust my, one of the officers kicked me by my face.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
I will call him Vianney now.
Just no.
Mango, just get up and go. Go.
So how can I tell up and have the control?
Just get up and go.
Let me train up myself.
Get up and go. I'll go to the phone and call somebody.
Listen, people, there's not much we can say about the situation. But the amount of law enforcement must work together in order to restrain that person. They really make me assume about the person's strength and so forth. It's set away. So, people, if you comment, let me know what you think about all the topics that I talk about in this video. So, what I'm saying to you, and this video that I just presented to you, it had been brought to my attention, the situation look away, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you. You can also leave a comment or comments about that. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.